to have familiarized with emergency situation in case of any situation arises like fire or sabotage at the arsenal. For that one, not only the manual evacuation, you can see all the vehicles are parked in reverse direction for easy evacuation. This is a purpose we are implemented and insist everyone to park their vehicle reverse direction. In case of emergency, we can easy to evacuate the site. Okay. This is the purpose for this evacuation. The head count is finished in our side, the consultant side, everyone is available here. I hope the contractor side, everyone is available, those who are present at this moment. For your information, for your familiarization, just we have a small fire extinguisher drill to familiarize how to operate the fire extinguishers.
Hello, Assalamu alaikum. How are you, boss? Everyone is fine? So, today the purpose of the evacuation, emergency evacuation for fire drill. So, basically we have to familiarize this one for this. When they got any emergency, like fire or any chemical spillage or any kind of natural disaster, or so many, this all will be fire emergency. So you have to familiarize how to evacuate in the building. When you have to evacuate, we already posted everywhere in the building. So in case of emergency, how to evacuate, the route will be displayed everywhere. So in that you have to familiarize. But that when the alarm will be activated, so that time you should be all are come to assembly point and you should be demonstration or pass method or officer.
Okay, we here started. How can they first check their case? Because you see there already one side green, yellow, red and white. And in the green, check there. Here pass.
You have to use the pass method.
Squeeze, switch. First,
remove the seal and pull the pin.
also get direction. And and there last side by side. So this one here. How can you
This we are using the fire extinguisher is dry chemical powder. This ABC, because this fire extinguisher is the multi-purpose fire extinguisher. So this everywhere the one method is the pass method. Pull the pin, aim, squeeze and swing. So everyone should aware from this the fire extinguisher how to operate. So in this the fire extinguishers are the different classes A, B, C, D and K. A stands for combustible material like water based and wooden. So this will be using for the if you want anyone please come and check this. Can you demonstrate now again one more time for anyone come from your side? Once you can use the fire extinguisher, you should know that. You should aware which fire is going on. It is the electrical fire, it is the ordinary fire, or any combustible material fire. So that time you have to recognize that one. Please, anyone, come and check. You should familiarize this one. So how to operate? Yeah, Engineer Faris, can you check? Come. One more time.
بسرعة بسرعة يا اسمر اشطر منك استشاري الان اسمر اشطر منك هيك استشاري ما تسوي
So, gentlemen, the purpose of this fire drill, you should know what is the fire. Fire regarding the electrical fire, or combustible fire, or metal fire, or any kitchen fire. So, in this fire, you should know which fire extinguisher should be used in that. So, basically, the 5 types of classes are there. First one is A, B, C, D, and E, K. So this fire extinguisher A for ordinary fire like paper, wood, or any. So B stand for gases, grease, oil. This is the full type fire extinguisher which you are using. And C for electrical. Electrical is for using the CO2 fire extinguisher, carbon dioxide. And D for metallic, like sodium, magnesium. These are the metals which for to put it on the fire. And K for standing for the kitchen. Kitchen we are using for the K fire extinguisher. We should aware. Nowadays we are using the fire extinguisher A, B, C. It is the multi-purpose. You can use combustible, you can use gas, electrical. These all the fire. So I think you know this how to operate, and you should familiarize where you are in the building, where the fire extinguishers are located, where the fire exits are located. Everywhere should know the assemble point.
ये इसको उठा लो इसको
In the case of emergency, how to evacuate. These are
तीन
the
को
tips for
كله
your
صديق هنا كله صديق
know how to evacuate. So please, thank you gentlemen for being cooperative with us and everything.
now already finished. Now we final allow everyone. Thank you.